First of all, I need to know there's something in this foundation that is just... Hello, beautiful people. Hi. Oyinka here, and today we'll be talking about the Nars foundation. So I've wanted to try the Nars foundation for so long. Well, since it came out. It hasn't been out for that long, but you know what I mean. Right when it came out, when the anticipation was up. So I finally got the chance to be shade matched at the Nars Boutique. I went to the Nars Boutique during Fashion Week and I met the lovely Christine who was over there helping me out. She's like the sweetest. Thank you. I like to have fun.
I see.
It's weird when people say I'm funny. I'm like, I'm not funny, I'm fun.
Yeah,
it's different.
There's a difference.
I'm not a comedian. I'm not here to make you laugh. I'm here to make myself laugh. I'm trying to finally get the Nars. What is it, Radiant Creamy or Creamy Radiant?
Natural Radiant. Natural Radiant.
Creaminess. Oh my gosh.
It's a long name.
So Kristen is helping me out. She's been such a great help so far. She's testing it out on my neck because I have on Fenty Beauty foundation and she's just trying it out on my neck. And I've been trying to get this for the longest. I'm so glad I can finally find out what my proper shade is because I was gonna order it online at Sephora, but it's like, it's too overwhelming and I never know my shade. So, okay, let's get back to seeing what my shade is. Do I sit here?
Yeah, you can sit here. You rather this light, right?
Yes, I like a little light situation.
I can't keep up with you.
I love light. The more light, the better. when you're happy with like everything you're doing on a 24/7 basis, then I feel like you're gonna just stay happy.
Right. Do you want me to swatch it or you want me to take this off and take what you have?
I just want you to swatch it. I don't want to take off my makeup. I'm not that beat, but I'm still like cute. So I want to like keep her cute, you know? That's all.
Looking, I think this might be your shade-ish.
Okay.
Let me see again. Because when I blend it in, it actually matches. Let me just make sure. When you first put it on, it looks too bright, but it looks similar to what you have on. See that?
Huh. You can't see a line of demarcation.
Yeah.
You can't. You're right. Because you know how Fenty is like kind of full coverage, but it's still kind of sheer.
Yeah.
Like I don't really use face powder with Fenty.
A lot of pigments in there. They made it where it's more pigment than anything else, so a little.
Would I need face powder?
I use face powder regardless because you have to set your foundation. Do you have oily skin?
Yeah, but I don't really use, I just use Laura Mercier and I like dab her in the middle. I stopped using face powder because face powder was making me look cakey.
But how are you applying it? Are you like using a big fluffy brush?
I will use a powder brush.
Yeah, you need like a big fluffy brush so you don't get, and you're not supposed to like stipple it, you're supposed to just like.
Really?
Yeah, because if you stipple it too much then you're caking it on top of what you have on already.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I've been using the wrong brush when using face powder. That's why I've been cakey. Okay, oh my gosh. See, I stopped using face powder altogether because I was like, I cannot continue life as a cake. God did not make me as a cake. God made me as a queen, okay? Not a cake. Crazy.
I think I would recommend this one more for you.
Is it like a seamless blend?
Yeah. And I'm gonna blend it in. See?
Yeah.
And this one is what you have on right now.
Oh, that's.
So I would recommend this one.
That's what I need.
Well, here I'm gonna put it here because here you don't really. You didn't bring your foundation under your neck or your chin.
No, I don't.
Because you don't want to get on your clothes.
Nope. And I know you should bring it down to your neck, but were you able to see a line of demarcation though?
A little bit when I was looking at your makeup. Yeah.
Darn it. You know what? It's probably because you're all up in here. And I feel like no one else is all up. Like,
I'm sorry.
No, that's your job.
Yeah.
But if anyone else is all up,
they're not gonna.
It's like, what are you doing?
When I came up close, I knew.
Yeah, but when I walked in, you could have said, right? You was like, yeah. You was like, she's alone. She's still kind of cute though.
I have not messed with you.
Oh my gosh, I love it here.
Now you gotta come stay.
Yes. When do you?
This is the most excitement I've had all day.
Kristen is having fun with me, guys.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh my, when do you work here? Oh, was that at the bottom of it, D2?
Yeah, that's just our way of like knowing where you fall into, but your color is New Caledonia.
Oh, yeah. Got it. So my color is New Caledonia.
Yeah. I can't pronounce it either.
She can't pronounce it neither, but.
I've been here 2 weeks, so.
Okay, so she gets a pass.
I get a pass.
She gets a pass.
So I actually learned the correct way.
So my shade is Dark 2 New Caledonia. What is it called? New Caledonia. Dark 2 New Caledonia. Okay. So this is the Nars foundation. This is the Fenty that I usually use. They look about the same shade-ish. I'm excited. This foundation is supposed to last up to 16 hours. It's supposed to be sweat-free and transfer-free as well. Retails for $49. I'm gonna keep it on for as long as possible. I don't know if I can do 16 hours. I'm gonna try to do 16 hours, but I'm not promising. I'm gonna keep it on for as long as possible. I'm going to an event later on, so you know, events get you all hot and sweaty. That's gonna be the sweat test. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your notifications as well. Let's just get right into applying this foundation. Love that it comes with a pump. I love it. I love it. I love it. God knows we need a pump, honey. We need a pump. I'm gonna put on the Fenty Beauty primer like I usually do. My hair keeps sticking out. It's like so frustrating. This is one pump. Might need like 3 pumps probably. It's very liquidy in consistency. It's not as liquidy as the Fenty foundation, but it's almost as liquidy as the Fenty foundation. It's almost the same consistency. I'm gonna need more. I don't feel like a lot comes out in one pump. Like 4 pumps. And this is the Fenty foundation brush. I'm just using the stuff that's already been working out for me, you know? Shout out to Christine for matching me perfectly, because this is definitely my shade. I'm gonna put like 2 more pumps on and give it a fair try. It's like a thin layer. It's definitely buildable. They said it's buildable and they were not lying. Definitely buildable. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a perfect match. That's very important. It's a perfect match. I'm gonna use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I used it as a primer when I tried the Alyssa makeup tutorial video, and I liked how it came out as a primer, so I'm just gonna do that again. Since this is on a Nars foundation, it only makes sense to use more of their product. It is such a smooth finish. Oh my gosh. Like my skin feels even, and I have like smooth skin, but my skin feels even smoother. Wow. Let me see if it transferred. And it didn't transfer at all. So blending out that concealer with the Beauty Blender. Setting it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Got a little shadow action on. Messed up with my eyeliner, but I'm going to fix that. So I'm going to put on the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm blending it out with the Beauty Blender. What else would I use? Because nothing compares to the Beauty Blender. Setting that baby with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love wearing red lipstick when I wear blue, so I'm going in with the Fenty Stunner lip paint. The stuff is amazing. I hate that it transfers, but it's a beautiful shade. Pretty simple. This is definitely a very simple look. I'm gonna be checking in with you throughout the day, letting you know how it's wearing, how it's looking, how it's feeling. Okay, so it's been 5 hours and this is how we're looking. I like, you know, first of all, I need to know what they put in this foundation. There's something in this foundation that is just amazing. It feels really smooth. Like it's really like it's a smoothness that's like out of the ordinary. It's so smooth, it makes you want to learn the formula. Nars, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I know on camera it looks shiny a little bit to me. Like on camera it looks shiny. I'm not sure why, because in person, like, I just got this glow. I mean, I have a natural glow because, you know, genetics did me a favor, honey. But it gave me like an extra glow. Like, I just got this. Honey, you know, got me out here looking like the pregnant lady glow, okay? Look really good. It's been 5 hours and I'm loving it so far. All right, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so it's been 7 hours now. I'm about to head into the event. I'm a little like, I don't know, like, you know what it is? I'm not crazy shiny. I'm like glowing. Trust me, I don't like an early shine on anything, but it's like a glow. And I feel so smooth. Okay, that's ahead in the event now. In 10 hours. 10 hours. 10 hours. She's sitting 10 hours. 10 all day. 10 hours. 10. She's sitting. Forehead is shiny, but you know what it is about this foundation? The way everything just blends and meshes together. You can't tell me it's not having me out here looking like, I'm into it. I'm so into it. I really am. It just, wow. My skin naturally gets oily. So if a foundation gets oily quickly, I usually hate it. Not saying this foundation gets oily quickly, but let's also remember I did not set it. Didn't really do much setting with this foundation. I just brushed a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder on it. With that little bit, I feel like it's holding out so well. Better than foundations that I may have tried in the past where I packed on powder and it still got oily. You know? So now it's been 12 hours. I'm taking this foundation off. I've gotten even more shiny, but it's honestly not that bad. My skin still feels super duper smooth, which is awesome, and I'm in love. I'm really in love with this foundation, and I can't wait to use it more and more and see how it works in different weather conditions in the summer, spring. I'm excited. Definitely a thumbs up for this foundation. I absolutely love it. Nars got me out here looking rich. I feel rich with this on. This is quality. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos right over here. Thank you so very much. Bye.
Done. For the sake of love.